In the military field, the United States aims to maintain global influence and therefore continuously develops its armed forces. Approximately 1.3 million personnel are on active duty, while 799,000 serve as reserve personnel. The United States is the only country in the world with nearly 200,000 military personnel stationed outside its borders and almost 1,000 military bases worldwide. Thanks to this global presence, the U.S. can launch military operations rapidly in many regions, giving it a strategic advantage in warfare. The United States possesses more than 6,300 tanks, 1,595 self-propelled artillery systems, 2,800 towed artillery units, and 1,410 rocket launchers. Tanks play a central role in ground forces, and the M1A2 Abrams, known for its powerful armor and advanced technology, is the main battle tank of the U.S. Army. The primary mission of naval forces is to defend against threats from the sea and to support land and air operations. The U.S. Navy operates with advanced technology and long-range weapons. In total, it has 472 ships, including 11 aircraft carriers, 9 helicopter carriers, 75 destroyers, 23 corvettes, 64 submarines, 5 patrol ships, and 8 mine warfare ships. The United States dominates global naval power. Aircraft carriers are especially important and receive heavy investment. As a result, the U.S. has more aircraft carriers than all other countries combined, and they are also the largest in the world. When equipped with state-of-the-art fighter jets, these carriers provide a significant advantage in warfare. Submarines are another crucial naval asset and are among the most effective military platforms. Fighter jets are used to bomb land and sea targets, neutralize enemy aircraft, and conduct reconnaissance missions. These aircraft play a multifaceted role and are equipped with advanced weapon systems to meet both strategic and tactical needs. The United States continuously increases its weapons production. However, technology is more important than quantity. Recognizing this, the U.S. consistently invests in technological advancements and develops new weapons systems. Such military strength requires enormous funding. The U.S. defense budget for 2024 is approximately $831.7 billion, making it the largest in the world. Continuous budget increases have allowed the United States to maintain its leading position in the global defense industry. Nuclear weapons represent the most destructive military capability. A single nuclear weapon can completely destroy a city, affecting both living and non-living elements. For this reason, nuclear weapons are primarily intended as a deterrent, and it is hoped they are never used. The United States possesses approximately 5,428 nuclear warheads, placing it among the most powerful nuclear nations in the world.